Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to teach you how to use the MC Updater, or what we call the Stone Legion client. So first of all, you go to stonelegion.com, you go to downloads. You need to be signed in to be able to view this section. You go to Minecraft Stone Legion and you go to the client, and then you just click download, and there's the exe version of the jar. The exe version is appropriate for Windows user. The jar is usually more appropriate for Linux and Mac, but you can also use it on Windows. I suggest the exe if you're on a Windows PC. You just download it here, and I've already downloaded a copy here. And you can just drag it on your desktop. Most browsers will let you do that, but you put it anywhere, so it doesn't matter. And then you run it for the very first time. There might be an error like this: Windows protect your PC. If you're on a newer Windows, you just click more information. You click run away anyways, and it will never come up like that again. It will run an update for you. Then you can log in. I have the new Mojang login, so I have to use my actual email address. And you just log in just like that. Boom. And we're in. And then, of course, if you're playing on the Stone Legion Adventure server, which is our new flagship modded server, say your configuration's out of sync. Every time that happens, it just basically means there's an update, and clearly we have nothing set yet. So we can click update, and if we go to progress, you'll actually see it grab everything. Now, normally you won't see assets, but assets is from Mojang. So basically it's downloading everything, your sound files, everything else here. Libraries, instance files, and jar build are like the three most important things. And instant files, as long as it says nothing failed, then you're usually pretty okay. But you can usually ignore it. You're not able to launch into the game till this all gets downloaded anyway, so it's pretty safe. And it does take a few minutes. I have a really fast connection. This client's well over 100 megabytes. So for some people out there, it might actually take you 10 or 15 minutes to download. I highly doubt it'll take that long, but it might take you quite a long time. Now, I'm going to show you a trick. Now, let's just say we update again. The nice thing is it has MD5 hashes, so it'll actually verify and check, and boom, done like that. So you're not actually re-downloading everything every time. And if you go to modules, you can actually add or remove some features that you may want. I suggest you keep basically the default stuff on there because it's pretty important, but maybe you don't like the look of the armor HUD, for example, and want to take it, or the in-game info. That shows the stuff at the top left. You can click this and it will actually save, and you don't have to worry about clicking and unclicking them again. We're going to add actually more client mod features on here in the future, so take a look. One of the biggest things you must change is in settings. For our modded server, we recommend you change the maximum memory to 2G, and we recommend you change the permagen space to 256 megabytes, like that. And remember, you need to click save up here. If you don't click save, it won't run. And then literally all you have to do now is just click launch, and it doesn't matter what you're up there, but you click launch, download some library files, and then boom, and it's launching in the background. Now, if you have any problems from the past, and let's see if I can close this. We're just forcefully closing this, so it'll act up. If you have any problems with the launcher, say you've used MC Updater in the past or have an issue, what you can do is type in app data like this, and then /.mc updater. I don't think cats really matter. And then you'll get this window which popped on one of my other monitors like this. What you can do is delete everything in this folder, of course with MC Updater closed, and you will have a fresh start completely. So if you have any issues or errors, that's a good way to nuke everything and start fresh, just in case if you need to. And yeah, so that's a quick tour on MC Updater, and hope that helps you guys, and hope to see you guys in the game soon.